So I was watching some videos of The Office on YouTube, as one does, and I noticed something that I hadn't noticed before. Tell me if you've seen this. I noticed this retention graph at the bottom of the video. This is something that creators have access to for their own channels, and it's useful in knowing what parts of the videos people actually watch, but I've never actually seen it on other people's channels before. And it even shows you which part of the video is the most replayed, which I can find that extremely useful. Now, obviously, a lot of times the first part of the video is going to be the most watched because it's the first part of the video. But from this video, if you look at the retention graph, you can find that some of Michael Scott's most cringiest moments are also some of the most watched parts. So I wondered, is this all videos? So I looked up another clip from The Office, and sure enough, there it is. So then I wondered, is it even on my videos? So I went to my channel, and sadly, it's not. So somewhere between 300 and a few thousand views, YouTube actually allows other people to see what your retention graph is. And I can totally get it. When people click on your video, they want to find the spot that enticed them to click on it, whether it be the thumbnail or the title. And most likely, the most replayed part of that video is going to be one of those two things, especially if that thumbnail and title really got your attention and you don't really care about the rest of the video. So did I miss that, or has this been around for a while? And do you see this as being useful? Like, obviously, if you're going to a certain video because of the thumbnail and title and you want to go straight to that spot, you might look for the spot that's most watched because it might be it. I'm curious, how often do you see yourself using this feature? I can definitely see why YouTube included it, and I can definitely see how it's going to be useful. Let me know what you think. If you're anything like me, you might find it useful too. After all, I'm just an average guy.